This is Obsertory. I had to pull the old tub out. We were going to try to save it, but it was rusted at the base where the drain was. So we had water leaking, and you could see on the bottom of it where all the termites were. So we had to pull it out. The garage door will be installed today. Power meters on the box finally. We have the line running out to the back. So that means we can start spraying texture today. There's the meter. This was all dug up. We extended the drain out for the kitchen sink here. And there's another cap we extended out over here that was pretty deep. We got covered that we're going to cap off properly. So we had to dig all the way down here underneath the bricks to hit the drain for the washing machine. And now the washing machine has a drain and a clean out. There's new spigots, new shut-offs. We picked up a new tub already, installed the new tub. It's been plumbed. It's a new valve body ready plumbed. All green board for the restroom. We reframed this section right here.